Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Ankita. So I hope guys you all are safe. So in this video we are going to discuss about the topics, all the common things about acids and all the common things about the bases. So without wasting any time, let's start with our video. So first of all, we are going to see the topic, that is the common things about all the acids. Okay, if I talk about all the acids, right, first thing which is in common is all the acids have the H positive ions, right? Whenever we talk about all the acids contain H positive ions. Okay, the second most common thing is these H positive ions. Okay, these H positive ions which we talked about that all the acids have. Okay, these H positive ions are responsible for the acidic nature in the substance. Okay, if a substance has the H positive ions, that means that substance is acidic in nature. Okay, now let me come to the bases. Okay, if I talk about the bases, first of all, bases, all the bases have OH negative ions. Okay, in common, all the bases have OH negative ions. And if I talk about the second point, that is these OH negative ions are responsible for the basic nature in the substance. Okay, whenever OH negative ions are being found in a particular substance, that means that these substances are basic in nature. Okay, I hope that you all are clear about the common things in acids and the bases. Okay, basically what are the common things in acids and bases? Okay, now let's come to the topic, whenever a acid or a base reacts with water, what products are being formed or what products are being found. Okay, first of all, if I talk about the acids, okay, whenever an acid reacts with the water, the products which are being found in the product sides are the HCO3 negative ions. Okay, these HCO3 negative product is being found in the product side. Okay, so what is this HCO3 negative? This is the hydronium ions, okay, which are being found over there. Okay, so these are the hydronium ions. Okay, so let me take an example over here. If I take HCl in the place of the acids, right, HCl is an acid. Okay, HCl when reacts with the water, that is the H2O, when the HCl will react with the water, it will form HCO3 negative plus Cl negative. Okay, HCO3 positive plus Cl negative, these are the products which will be formed in the product side. Okay, now if I come on to the bases, whenever the bases reacts with the water, they always form OH negative ions. Okay, now let me take an example over here, that is the sodium hydroxide. Whenever the sodium hydroxide will react with the water, it will form the sodium positive plus OH negative. Okay, it will form sodium positive plus OH negative. Now you will be thinking that this is the decomposition reaction which has occurred now over here. Like I have given the example of the sodium hydroxide. So this is the example of the decomposition reaction as well, because a single substance is being divided into the two substance. Okay, or it is being transformed into the two substance. Okay, so over here the decomposition reaction is being taking place. Okay, so yes, it is the decomposition reaction which is being taking place over here. Okay, so whenever a base will react with the water, always the decomposition reaction will take place. Okay, so this was all about this video. I hope everything is clear to you. If it is not clear, then you can mention in the comment box. Also, if you like my video, do like, comment, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Learn with Ankita, and do hit the bell icon as well.